recognition day ko. And today yun.
Huli na raw ang mga gang-gang.
So, yun. Nasa kotse pa kami. Hindi nalagay. Hawak ko na lang. It's my recognition day. Time check. Ang time. What time is it? Time check. 7:35. Start ng recognition ko 8 o'clock. Sabi ni start ng recognition ko 8 o'clock. 7:35 na.
Deep love for reading and learning. Their consistent engagement with books reflects intellectual curiosity and a passion for knowledge. May I call on stage Mr. Charlie May Padernal to award the Library Reader of the Year. Here in grade Outstanding Library Yona Sia C. Gakutan from grade 1B. Most responsible in grade 1, Catriona Sia C. Kaputan from grade 1B. Most responsible in grade Fiona Sia C. Gaputan. Best in English. Best in Mathematics. Best in Makabansa. Best in Science. And Best in Filipino. Again, let's give her a warm round big of applause, please. Grade 2. These awards are given to pupils who have achieved the highest level of academic distinction. Let's begin. Grade